Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off web and app activity, timeline and YouTube history. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to privacy, go down, select Google Assistant, select view permissions. Okay, then here we can first we have to log in with the Google ID and password. After that you get this page. Here in this page, if we go down, you can find web and app activity. Here we can turn on or off web and app activity. If we go down, you would see timeline. Here we can turn on or off timeline. If you go further down, you would see YouTube history. Here we can turn on or off YouTube history. Okay, so this way we can control these items. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.